welcome to Ansh Stories. So for today's video, this is the part 2 of our laag here in Cebu Ocean Park. Here I am showing you the bird show, which I think the last show for today. But before anything else, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for new updates in my channel. So please stay back and relax and watch the video, and I hope you will enjoy the bird show here in Cebu Ocean Park. And I hope you enjoy, and I have toured you around the place. It's very much recommendable for the kids and kids at heart. So enjoy watching.
Sa vlog no, kamosa na.
So hello everyone, my name is Cebu and welcome to Cebu Ocean Park's Happy Together. My name is Vince and I'll be your host for today's show. Here our next set of birds are just like any best friends. Now we know that sometimes friends can be competitive, right?
Basketball
So let's meet Blue and Azul. Now these two battle over who's gonna be the best in the basketball game. Let's go Blue, let's go Azul.
Wow, they're coming.
Now before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. So first up, for the boys, send me your cheer for Blue. Say, go Blue, go Blue.
Go blue, go blue.
The boys say, go Blue,
Go blue, go blue, go blue.
Now for the girls, send me your cheer for Azul. Say, go Azul, go Azul.
Go Azul, go
Okay, now
Azul.
are you guys ready for the basketball game? Hi, wala pa mo energy. Louder, are you guys ready?
Yes!
Birds ready, Shriners ready, and go! Let's go Blue, let's go Azul. So first ball for Blue, first ball for Azul,
Wow,
second ball for Blue, second ball for Azul, and last ball. Blue wins this game. That's all right, Azul. So I guess Azul deserves another race. Okay, now this time, let's do a ring race. Now the mechanics of this game is the first bird to drop all 3 rings and the pole the fastest is the winner. Now that's our ring race. So remember guys, now Blue has 1 point already. So girls, cheer louder for Azul this time to win. And are you guys ready for the second round?
Yes!
Okay, birds ready, cheerleaders ready, and go! Let's go Azul. So first ring for Blue, come on Azul. Second ring for Blue, and hey, what's this? Azul drops all 3 rings at the same time. What a clever comeback from the girls. So how about a round of applause for our lovely pair of birds, Blue and Azul. Okay guys, now up next, I need one adult volunteer with a paper bill. Go sir? Okay sir, now to the stage and bring with you a paper bill. 20, 50, or 100. Ang pingin ang cellphone mo sir. So we notice most of the birds here in the show are parrots, and it's because they're highly intelligent, charismatic, and distinctive. Right, so I'm the sir, center of your foot. Ang ako sir, did you know here? Then I want to sir, and then other one's the table, and next on your left arm side is like this. Okay, sir, no matter what happens, please don't go or swing your arm. So, sir, what will happen next? Kung saan mo po, sir? Sure na, sir? Nagkakalit sir, may crocodile na sa water mo po. Okay na sila sir. Okay sir, good luck sir. No matter what happens, please don't move or swing around, okay? Now let's call in our one bird. Grab some money. What's next, Blue? There you go, Blue guys back at the table. Now sir, Blue wants to. There you go, donate your money. So sir, how about you donate your money? Sure? Since okay lang sir. Sino lang sir? Doble lang naman sir. 500 pesos next round. Second round sir, 500 pesos. For the birds. Okay sir, good job. Now, but sir, it's all part of the show. We're going to money, but first, we want to take a review for a souvenir. So stand on there, sir, and follow our trainer's instructions. Now, we want to serve us smiling fools with our monkey bird balloon.
Na-picture siya ni Blue na.
Here's a ladies and cheers your money back. And for our last piece for our photographer, the baby favorite and copy of your picture. So a round of applause for our volunteer and our monkey bird balloon. We have the next part of our show. We'll introduce to you guys our three lovely parrots here. So first up on your right, we have our green wing mongol bandit. So as you can see, those birds are covered with mostly red feathers, while their tail and their wings are blue and green. Now that bird right there has a wide-necked face striped with small red feathers. Now bandit's scientific name is Arachnopterus. Now bandit, say hi to everyone.
Hi! Ni-hi siya
How
na.
about the other side, bandit? Say hi. Now there on your left is our beautiful mongol. Now blue and gold mongols, as you can see, are covered with a beautiful shape of blue on their backs, while their bellies and inner wings right or middle. Okay, place it right here. Now let's call it our second bird goldie. Now if the goldie has the ability to find the hidden object. If it's a yes, let me hear you cheer. You can do it, goldie.
You can do it!
Guys, cheerful guys. You can do goldie.
You can do
Okay, goldie, find us the hidden object. Now don't be searching, scanning each cup. And there you go, we found it. Around the applause for our second bird goldie. Now these birds prefer their habitats along the edges of tropical and subtropical rainforest. Now you see they're primarily white with black beaks and they have a prominent yellow crest on their head. So kanya siyang feathers sa head, ngunit tinatawag na crest. Now Phoebe also has bright yellow underside wings. Now there on your left is our umbrella cockatoo angel. Now umbrella cockatoos are known as the white cockatoos or the cockatoos. They're also known as the sand-crested
Ay, hold ha?
pinkish white colored feathers.
Meron na akong bird.
Okay, so your equation is 9 plus 7. Yes, no, 9 plus 7. So magpo sa 6 no, kaya natin kabawang siya ng
9 plus 7.
Okay, so are you ready? Alright, so give us the first number. There you go, Snow picks number 1. Now did Snow pick the right number? Guys, it's not the one you Snow or me. Yes or yes? Okay, so that is your answer up to the second number. And there you go, Snow picks number 6. So right now, go Snow 9 plus 7 equals 16.
16!
A round of applause for
Yay! Good job!
Eagles has 2 eagles. Now these birds are widespread around the subcontinents of India, Southeast Asia, and Australia, where they're known as sea eagles. Now here in the Philippines, we call them as nawids, or lagoon in the Visayan region. Many types prefer their habitats on wetlands such as mangrove forests, lakes, and coastal areas. And there we go, that's it for our brand new type panda. So if meron siya nakita guys, siya ang iconic bird sa TV show. There comes our eagles because
Ah. Hindi po siya upuan, mga basura.
Last round, Blue. See, Blue can do it, and so can we. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are holding pigeons. Once again, I guess thank you for watching.
you.
And bye.
Bye! Oh, shark! Breeding and Culture Laboratory. Dito ra lagi man. SM, finish namin sa Ocean Park. And that's it. The videos that I took during our lag here in Cebu Ocean Park. And here are the pictures we have during our lag. So, enjoy!
So foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want,
That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye! Mwah.